Hey everyone! In this video we will discuss the skills measured for the PL300 exam. So let's start. So the first skill that is measured is the data preparation, which includes getting data from different sources, which involves identifying and connecting to a data source, talking about change data source settings, how to select a shared data set or create a local data set. We will talk about the storage modes. We will talk about the dataverse. We'll learn how to change the values in a parameter and how to use data flows. Then the next one is cleaning, transforming, and loading the data. This involves profiling the data, resolving inconsistencies, unexpected or null values, and data quality issues. It involves identifying and creating appropriate keys for the joins, evaluating and transforming column data types, shaping and transforming tables, combining queries, applying user-friendly naming conventions to columns and queries, configuring data loading, and resolving data import errors. So let's move on to the next one, which is model data. Under model data, we covered how to design a data model, which involves defining the table, configuring tables and column properties, designing and implementing role-playing dimensions, defining a relationship's cardinality and cross-filter direction, designing a data model that uses a star schema, and creating a common date table. Then the next one is to develop a data model, which involves creating calculated tables, creating hierarchies, creating calculated columns, implementing row-level security roles, and using the Q&A feature. The third one is creating model calculations by using DAGs, which involves creating basic measures by using DAGs, using calculate to manipulate filters, implementing time intelligence using DAGs, replacing implicit measures with explicit measures, using basic statistical functions, creating semi-additive measures, and using quick measures. And then the last one is how to optimize a model performance. So this involves removing unnecessary rows and columns, identifying poorly performing measures, relationships, and visuals, and reducing cardinality levels to improve performance. So we'll move on to the next point after that. Visualize and analyze the data, which involves creating reports. So here we look at adding visualization items to reports, choosing an appropriate visualization type, formatting and configuring visualizations, using a custom visual, applying and customizing a theme, configuring conditional formatting, applying slicing and filtering, configuring the report page, using the Analyze in Excel feature, and choosing when to use page-generated reports. Then we've got how to create dashboards, which involves managing tiles on a dashboard, configuring mobile view, using the Q&A feature, adding a quick site insights result to a dashboard. We'll learn that. We'll learn how to apply a dashboard theme and how to pin a live report page to a dashboard. Then the next one is enhance reports for usability and storytelling, which involves configuring bookmarks, creating custom tooltips, editing and configuring interactions between visuals, configuring navigations for a report. We'll learn how to apply sorting, configuring sync slicers, grouping and layering visuals by using selection pane, drilling down into data using interactive visuals, and exporting report data. Plus, we'll also cover how to design reports for mobile services. The next topic is identifying patterns and trends. So using the Analyze feature in Power BI, how to identify outliers, choosing between continuous and categorical axes, using grouping, binning, and clustering, using AI visuals, using the forecast feature, and how to create reference lines by using the analytics pane. So we'll cover all these topics. So the next one is we'll learn how to deploy and manage assets. And this covers two broad topics. One is managing files and datasets, so which involves identifying when a gateway is required, how to configure a dataset, schedule refresh, how to configure row-level security group membership, how to provide access to datasets, and how to manage global options for files. We'll also learn how to manage workspaces, which involves how to create and configure a workspace, how to assign workspace roles, how to configure and update a workspace app, publishing, importing, and updating assets in a workspace, applying sensitivity labels to workspace content, configuring subscriptions and data alerts, and promoting or certifying Power BI content. So we'll go through all these topics as we go along. So this is pretty much all I've got in this video. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.